What's that toy? You're just watching the doggy? Hey, pretty girl. Hey. Hey. Corinne. Look at you holding your head up. Whoops, Radley. What's Radley doing? What's Radley doing? Is that your daddy's friend Lou Holtz talking on the TV? Yeah. Hi. Hi. Did you work with these people last night?
Mm-hmm.
Hi. Hi, princess. Look at mama. Corinne. Are you spitting up? Uh-oh. 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 Bye-bye, baby.